Our friend Chase Lauber invented this. So I just built a motorcycle cannon. It moves. Brick that powers the thing. Lights that come on and off.
Wicked.
Do you want to, first of all, just how about introducing yourself?
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, my name's Tommy Janik.
My name is Zachary Tarasic.
My name is Nicholas Angeli.
Do you want to tell them like some of the things you did when you were designing it?
So, the first thing when we got the robots and we were told that we can use these to build stuff with it, first we needed to know how does this work. We needed to know how do you get the motors running, what wires go in what ports. So then we started figuring it out. I figured out how to get the touch button here, then the light sensor, then the infrared scanner, then the sound mic, which doesn't work. None of them work. It's either the brick or it's the sensors. Then I'm gonna go to Try Me to show you.
Can you tell them, how did you figure it out? How did you guys figure it out, Nicholas?
We figured it out by, I was the one who figured out how to program them.
Okay.
And then I
There
figured
was a
out,
little icon on the brick that we went to, and it programmed.
it says NXT program on here. So Nick figured out that. I figured out how to get the motors running and then the lights working from the bricks. So then all the sensors. So then Zach, what did you figure out about it?
I figured out how to get one motor running at the same pace and going the same direction.
So did you figure it out just by trying it and going back to the drawing board? All right, do you want to show them what you did? Do you want to show them how they work?
So this is not my invention. It is Chase Lauber's. He's a friend of ours. He built this crane, and there's just a ball that I need for it to
Did you
pick up.
see it? Oh, Nick has it.
Oh, Nick, okay. So you see this button here? Whenever you press it, it opens up the cloth. So I set this ball here. I don't know what's wrong. I'm going to turn it off.
It worked today, didn't it, guys? They've been practicing.
Okay. Press the button. It's supposed to claw the ball and hold it. I don't know what's wrong. This motor has not been working. So this is what it's supposed to do. It's just supposed to grab the ball and pick it up. So that's all.
Tommy, if you put it that way, it can probably pick the ball.
So I've unplugged these.
Press the button.
So Nick, you show your robot, then Zach, then I'll show the robot that I actually made.
My robot I made from 2 wheels and a motor, and I put a light sensor on it too. And this is how it works.
Inch by inch. Just keep moving.
Zach, show yours.
I used one motor, or 2 motors, 2 wheels,
No, 3 wheels.
yeah, 3 wheels, and
3 gears.
One,
yeah,
two,
4
three,
gears.
4 gears.
No, 5 gears. 5 gears.
This is not a gear, Nick.
That is.
Well, you can consider it one, but I don't think it is.
These are the conversations that are
So
awesome.
it's supposed. Zach, tell them what it's supposed to do.
It's supposed to like drive, this spins.
Zach, tell them what this uses.
It What do you mean?
The use of these two gears here.
And I called it the pinchinator because whenever
He made a drill once,
whenever you
and
slip
he
your,
kept sliding his finger into it, so then he said it kept biting him. So then he took the drill piece off, and now he calls it the pinchinator something thousand. So.
And now they're experimenting with reprogramming their slot with the computer. So, you gonna show your samples?
I did.
Oh, you did already.
So then this is mine. I put some lights up here. This is not the same program I used for the other one that I showed. And this is Snowmobile Run. It was a program that was put on here when we first started using these. Just drives along the table.